into working on my sniper here. Actually, it's not even my sniper, dude. It's my copy bot. You can see it's at 664, and I think it started at 631. Yeah, 631. I had a 647 at the start, but I had a big error the first day. So it started at 631. I'm just going to have that starting balance 631 here. And that is the starting balance. It's at 661. But there is a, not a error, but something I want to fix to make it a little more efficient. I'm having a problem here with Bird Eye, 36%, and we're only 30% through the month. So that's how much usage I have, and I need to get that way down to make this make sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead here and just dive straight into this. And if you have any questions, you can always leave them in the chat. The chat is where questions can be. Much love to you. And yeah, dude, this is it's gonna be great. Seven 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 to you, dude. Much love, much love. Glad you're here. Glad you're here, bro. Glad you're here. 777. All right, so what I want to fix is this here. And you can see here, I'll write it down first. 1011. Every time we check the P&L of one token, we are looping and checking the last trades for every token. So burning API request. Gotta fix that ASAP. Gotta fix that ASAP, dude. All right, so let's fix that. And it's gonna be good. It's gonna be not too hard to fix, I don't think. So think about how this works. So for E, for value is, and TP is, and TP is. Okay, let's go there. Let's start with the bot page here. Bot. I don't think it's there, but okay. And TP and in the last. Okay, it's in the nice funks most likely. Nice funks here. Okay, in the last. Okay, let's go to it. So here you can see every time it runs this, sending back low volume tokens. This is why we can't do low volume tokens here, dude. This is why we can't do low volume tokens here. Dang it. Wish I wouldn't have done that way. I was being a little lazy with it, to be real. I shouldn't have done it that way, to be real with you. But it's okay. I did it, and now it's done. So get names, no save. Get names, no save here. So this says get token overview. Well, that's not a problem though. That's not pulling any extra data. Yeah, that's not pulling any extra data, dude. That should be fine, right? That's not pulling any extra data. Yeah, that's not pulling extra data. So, hmm, how else can we slow this down? This is my problem here. I'm only 10 days, 11 days into the month. I've already paid or spent 36 of my things, API credits. It's good. It's a little lower yesterday. Okay, I know how to do this. I think I know how to do this. So we're using, so this is running a lot clearly. Get names, no save. DF2 here. For token and loads and low volume tokens. These are the two files we need here, so I'll just keep those open. This we're just trying to get the token name. Okay. And when are we calling that? We're calling that here. If DF not empty. Fetch wallet holdings. Okay. And my API is definitely calling the get token overview the most. So it's like we're in a loop somewhere, and I feel like this is the loop. You can see for index, for row and index, get token overview. Of course, it's the loop. Okay, we know that. And here, token list, we don't call that too much. We call it 1,000 times a day, but the other one we call 21,000 times a day. So This is inside the append fetch wallet holdings, get names, no save. Okay, so inside of the kill switch. No, where did we put that? So this isn't our nice funks. This is inside of, what is this? Fetch wallet holdings OG. Token list is not one of our problems. Okay. Fetch wallet holdings OG. And pencil out today, dude. Damn, I don't have a pencil. Let me see. Let me see one second. Where my backpack at, cousin? All right, we got a courtyard. We got a courtyard. So this is how, let's just go fetch wallet holdings. So fetch wallet holdings here. Fetch wallet holdings OG. That goes fetch wallet holdings OG. That goes to get names no save. And that get names no save goes to get token overview. Which we call 20x times. So we call this get token overview 20x more times. And then this also goes to kill switch for low vol. This returns low vol. Okay. So it's really here, it feels like. This get names no save. The bot's doing decently well, actually. So it's at 67, 667. So that's up. See if I have any Solana in my wallet. Keep this going while it's going, at least, you know? Got a little bit of Sol. I'm gonna run that reclaim bot real quick. Get some Solana back here. All right, so where do we call fetch wallet holdings is the question. Fetch wallet holdings OG. Because fetch wallet holdings OG here. It's in the single. Token single. Okay. But where do we call the single? Whoa, whoa, whoa. In get position. So get position calls that Okay, where does get position get called from? Open position. Sure, that's just one place that it's called from though. Get position, P&L close. Okay. Twice. P&L close calls it 2x. So limit our P&L close maybe, and then open position. So open position and P&L close. So one, is that twice? Yeah, 2x. Okay, so these are the two things that we got to figure out here. Open position and P&L close. Those are the culprits that lead to this like over trading of the token security, whatever. I don't know. No, not token security. The token overview. This token overview call is called. I'm calling it 20,000 times more. 20x times more, not 20,000. I'm sorry. So let's go over here to the bot, and here in the bot, let's go check out where P&L closes. P&L close. Okay. Let's go ahead here. And so let's check out all the P&L closes. First, it's here. And that P&L close. You can see it's entering a position right now on the bottom right. I guess what I'm trying to figure out here is why the fudge does it go ahead? Let me restart this timer before it even gets there. Why does it open position and then call this again for all of them? Let's figure that out. So open position. So we're opening a position. We get the position. Problematic. Jesus. Buying DF. Is the ready to buy DF here. Token info here is this. Where do we call open position here? Let's check that out. Open position. And not open position here. If USD holdings, if USDC holdings, okay. If open positions is under open positions for index and DF row, If token mint is not in closed positions, DF is get names. Okay, we got the DF here. Get names DF here, but then in get position here, this is a different get names DF here. Get token overview though. Get names here. Get names DF. Get him out of here. Chop that boy out. He gone. He's a goner. He's a goner. Damn, API calls got me tripping, B. API calls got me tripping, dude. Get token overview here. I might ask O1, honestly, because I don't know how she would look at this. Log in. What type of stuff is that? So 401 preview. My bot. I'm having a problem with API calls. I am calling the token overview. Is that right? I don't know. Token overview. It's not. It is right. It's just the wrong. I'm looking for the wrong place. Overview. $20 times. $20 times more than any other call, which is leading me to overuse the API. Can you try to reduce that call so we call it way less? Send back full code for both files separately. Okay, so let's let her think about that while I think about it some more too. We both think about it. we'll just keep thinking about it. See what she says. Here we go. Here's the updated code for your nice funks with optimizations to reduce the number of token overviews by endpoint by implementing caching. Can you explain this caching you implemented? This is live market live wallet data, and the bot is buying and selling a lot every few minutes. So I would need to make sure it's quite dynamic. I'm not familiar with caching, so please explain it to me. Yeah, this is a lot of code, dude. Here we go. Perfect. Let's throw this on O1 Mini because you don't need that much help. Certainly, let's delve into caching mechanism and blend in your nice funks and understand how it works, its benefits and considerations to ensure your bot remains dynamic and responsive. Understanding caching. Caching is a technique used to store frequently accessed data in a temporary storage area cache so that future requests for the data can be served faster. Instead of fetching data from the original source like an API every time, the system first checks if the data is available in the cache. If it is, it retrieves it directly from there, saving time and reducing the load on the original source. Benefits of caching: reduced latencies, faster data retrieval since accessing cache is quicker than making API calls. Lower API usage. Okay, potential downsides: stale data, cache data might become outdated, especially in dynamic environments like live trading. Cache management. I got mad cache B. Requires strategies to update or invalidate cache data to ensure data. How caching is implemented in your code. In the updated nice funcs, caching is introduced using Python dictionaries to store data fetched from the APIs. Here's a breakdown of how it's implemented. In initialization, in the token overview, dictionaries. Okay, so stores the result of token overview address calls. Token price stores the results of token price address calls. These dictionaries act as in-memory caches where the keys are the token addresses and the values are fetched data. So check cache. How it works: before making an API call, the function checks if the address exists in the token overview cache. Cache hit if present, cache miss. Caching and token price. Don't need it there. Ensuring data freshness. While caching reduces the number of API calls, it's critical But it's crucial to ensure that the data remains up to date, especially for live trading where real-time data is essential. Here's how you can balance caching with data freshness. Timestamp tracking each cache entry now includes the data and time it was cached. Expiration check. Before returning cache data, the function checks if it's valid based on cache expiration. Automatic refresh. Use advanced caching libraries. I don't think that's the play. I don't think that's the play. Okay, I'm worried this isn't the play. Tell me the downside. How long does it cache the data for? And for example, if I was selling a token at the time, and we grabbed the cache data after a loop, wouldn't that be problematic? Because we may be grabbing the position data that shows we are still in position, even though we successfully closed the position. You're absolutely right to be cautious. Caching can significantly optimize API usage, but it introduces the risk of outdated data. The nice funks caching was introduced using Python dictionaries to store response from API calls. Caching mechanism and functions. Before making an API call, the function checks if the address exists in the cache. Addressing the concerns with current caching, cache duration. The cache stores data indefinitely until the program terminates, so there's no mechanism to refresh or invalidate cache data. In live trading environments, data can quickly become outdated. For instance, token prices and trade volumes fluctuate frequently, and cache data might not reflect the current state. Yeah, I don't think that's it, dude. I don't think that's the play. So I don't think that's the play, dog. So I'm gonna go ahead and look back at my piece of paper here and go to the bot. So, you know, I'm the real doctor around here. I know O1's supposed to be PhD level, but you can call me Dr. Mondaz. I'm not gonna take her idea. I'm sorry. Open position. So we're gonna start there with open position. And it should be N dot. If USD holdings, then we're gonna open position of token mint address. But that's gonna take us to get position. And get position goes ahead and gets the position. Balance equals get position here. And that fetches wallet holdings for a single address. Which fetches wallet holdings for all the addresses. And in here it says get names, no save. That's the problem right there. That's the problem, dude. Yep, for sure. Yep, that's it. I got it. I got it. Right? So I got to get all wallet holdings every time. That makes sense. Every loop, I got to get all wallet holdings to make sure it's right. Okay. Let's see on the Bird Eye API here. DeFi. It's actually wallet APIs here. Token balance. How much am I calling that one? Never. Wallet portfolio here. Token list here. That's not the problem though. Look at your freaking sheet, dude. You got a piece of paper here. Token list is not the problem. It's this. It's get names that's the problem. Because get names no save. So this is the problem. Get names no save is the problem. Is the problem. So that if I just fix update single to just call Indy, call for one, and avoid the rest of this. Okay. And then I'll call the fetch wallet holdings every once in a while. That's it. Okay. I got it. So I'm gonna call this at the end of the loop here. And we're gonna go put that at the I got this, dude. I'm the doctor around here, dude. Call me Dr. Moondev from here on out. Don't talk to me if you don't call me Dr. Moondev. Don't talk to me if you're not gonna call me Dr. Moondev, dog. I swear, bro. If open positions. Okay. Yeah, give me another one. Give me another 20, dog. Yo, moondev.com has your roadmap and resources. Algo trading roadmap and resources. I'm trying to make this the best free resource in the world, dude. Frequently asked questions, my system, alpha generation techniques, book lists, crypto data, machine learning stuff, dude. Everything is there. It's for free. Moondev.com. So I think every loop, I'm already doing that. Perfect. I already do it. And then that will do that. Perfect. I don't need to do that anymore. Fetch wallet. Okay, this is open positions. I do it plenty. Single here. Perfect, perfect. P&L close. That's a killer. P&L close is a killer. I got this too. An open position is a killer. I mean, get position is a killer too. But if as long as we're this isn't in a while loop, it's not. If okay, we're good. USD size. If for index, this isn't a while loop here. Get position here. USD get position goes to fetch wallet single. Yeah, okay. This is the problem here. Good, 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 good. Yes, dude. Yes, I love this game. Fetch wallet holding single. That was a hard one. That was a hard one. That was a hard one. Single. Like you. I'm sorry. You got this. I'm sorry, you got. I'm so whack. He's whack, dude. Return DF. Okay, let's go look in the where am I calling single from? So let's make a new one of these so I don't mess it up. I mean, just in case everything breaks here. You got this, Mooney. So fetch wallet holdings. I want to update this function here. Update this function above so we use this API call instead of fetch wallet holdings OG. This is their docs. Let's grab a random one here. Paste it in. Python example. Copy. Okay. Fudge, bro. What just happened? All right, let's see what it does. I was just being lazy. This is why you don't lazy code, bro. Duh. Don't be a lazy coder. This was a while ago I was being lazy. Built-in laziness. Boy lazy. Delete all this stuff. Okay. Now let's try it. df equals print df and then time dot sleep. What is that? What is that sound? Who knows? I don't have time for it. My address, and then let's say USDC contract address. I ain't got time for that right now, dude. Okay, great. Oh, you can see it prints the DF there. Okay. Yo, AI is so slick, bro. AI is so slick. Let's see if this breaks everything or not. This should tremendously speed up my bot. Tremendously. Maybe not speed it up. Whoa. Yeah, it'll probably speed it up too. Nice move, dude. But it's gonna tremendously save me on credits. So that means if you're following me and you're putting in your own strategy, right? Well, we just made a big win. So big win for Moondev Squad. Moondev Squad. Sir, I want to buy from crypto. Okay. Well, that's the email is here. Just email that, dude. Email that, get the Addy. Email that, get the Addy and your Gucci. Perfect. There you go. If you sent the email, you're going to go ahead and get it. My ears are gone. My bad, bro. Sorry, I had that up late. Nah, this has got to be you have got to be brain dead, bro. He's like 12 clearly because the only person I know that says "gyat" is my 10-year-old and 8-year-old nephew. Oh God, he's cooked, B. He's cooked. He's cooked, B. The chat is cooked. Every day I look in the chat, it's cooked. W clickbait, sup boys? Ain't clickbait, bro. They ain't clickbait. But okay, look at this, dude. We fixed it. Moon. We changed the game today. We changed the game. Okay, big win today. Thank God. Thank the Lord. Thank me. Thank whoever you want. Dr. Moondev is here to stay. So let's go ahead and say this is our path. This is our path below, and I identified the overcalling of the token overview. So open. So let's chill out. Open because I'm just excited. And PNL close. They go to down. They go to get position. Come on, AI, where you at? You don't work on MDs, I see. That goes to fetch, wallet, holding, tokens, single, which goes to fetch, wallet, holdings, OG, which goes to get names, no save. This is what's running up the API, kind of. And this goes to, hey, dude, relax. That goes to get token overview, which we call 20x more than anything. So here, solution was to change this to not go below. Okay. So that was the solution. You saw it. Okay, you saw everything. You always see everything, dude. Everything, every day. Okay, I want to update this so it prints a little better, though. So update this function. Now that it works, oh, I just need to remove this. Print df. Update this. Update this function so it prints in English. Okay. So you English speakers can read it. I'm just kidding. I swear I'm not a douche like that, bro. I swear. Maybe I am though. Maybe I am. Maybe I literally am. Oh, I didn't even say what I was gonna say. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Save it. I'm gonna go ahead here to bot as well and update all these prints without changing any of the code to make. Here, I'm just gonna change it all to English if there's any in Spanish here. I don't see any Spanish. All right, cool. Wow, big win, dog. Big win. I'm so proud of us. Dang, that was getting to me. That was hard. That was a hard one. That was a hard one, dude. Print DF. We don't want to print the DF anymore. Good. Okay, so let's rerun this here. Make sure it's all working. That was a tough one, dude. That was a tough one. Is this your full-time thing? Yup. Thank you for the inspiration. You've already made 2 bots, Ale? Congrats, bro. Would you be comfortable running funds on? I do. With AI code? I do, so yes. Literally. That's all I do, bro. That's all I do. But it's my funds, so I wouldn't be comfortable with using other people's funds. Never. I don't want to raise money. You inspired me to start coding, bro. Thank you. Dude, Russian dude, bro. I wish I could say your name. Much love to you. I'm so glad you started coding, bro. I could be Bulgarian too. I'm sorry. Python developer. What do these bots do? These are Solana bots. Trade bots. Can't wait for my bot. So how's it going? I'm doing great, Obama. What up? How are you? Yo, what up, Penny? How are you? You sent the mail already? Rybear, what up? 777, dude. Dang, that was a big win today. Thank God. So value is this and TP is this. So not closing. Getting position for data found. Okay, let's get some of those out of there. Those are ugly. Those are ugly. Data found. Where you at? You right there? Data found here. So I'm gonna delete that part. Okay. Fetching data for this one. When does putting it that line though? That's a weird one. Get position. Print. Then maybe put this at the bottom of that, right? I don't know. I don't know what's going on there, but data found. This should severely chop it down, dude. Now let's go look at the bot real quick. Chop it down, chop it down. Bot 20 minutes, every 20 minutes, that's fine. 20 minutes is fine. Please check. Okay, I'll just Takir wants me to stop the stream, fellas. Yo, Takir in the chat wants me to stop the stream and just go check my email right now. So I'll go do that for him. Psych, mofo. I'm glad you want to join, but you're not stopping the stream, boy. I'm sorry. I got a team that's going to respond to you quickly. Quickly as in within 4 hours, okay? I got you, dude. Don't worry about it. Relax, relax. I know you moving fast. Put that hand down. Sir, I am waiting. Sir, I am waiting. If you feel that obligated to my time, I'm going to say, sir, you can't join. Sir, you can't join anymore. Put your hand down, boy. I'm sorry. I'm not good at customer service because I don't really have to be. I don't have to be. There's 100% money back guarantee. The boot camps. I don't need the boot camp be, so I don't respond well to to bossiness be. I'm the only boss up in there. You said that you said like 42 messages, bro. Please guide me what's next. Sir, just emailed you. Sir, please check. Sir, I don't want you in my world. Not if you're going to be doing that. Hey, you promise? Hey, Takir, if I let you into the bootcamp, you promise you're not going to tag me every day like you just did here? Because you messaged me like 17 times in the chat. Let me know. You have to commit to not message me obsessively like you've done today. Because I don't check the chat all day. And then when I check the chat and I see Takir say 12 messages about trying to get in the boot camp, that really scares me. That really scares me. It really scares me, bro. I don't like. I try to keep only like chill people around. You're chill, right? You're chill, right? Are you chill? Or is this because this, it typically. Are you chill? You're good? If you're relaxed and chill, I'll let you in. But if not, we're trying to keep this community for everybody good, I don't think anybody in here wants somebody spamming inside of the boot camp. The boot camp is me and my friends, me and the people that are closest to me. Yo, Solitude, I'm cooking some copy bots today, dude. You're chill? Okay. As long as you're chill. You already got your warning though, bro. I'm sorry. I'm gonna refund you if you act up inside the Discord like that. No need to put 18 messages ever. Thank you for your service. Okay, so this looks good. Getting position for 4ATD. By the way, everybody, I have the boot camp and there's 100% money back guarantee. And I do that for you, of course, because I'm a random dude on the internet. So the bootcamp teaches you everything about how to automate your trading step by step. I literally show you everything I know and I update it every single week. And it's super inexpensive. And there's a 100% money back guarantee, a 30-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. I don't ask any questions. I just give your money back. That being said, this money back guarantee is for you, of course, but it's also for me. I'm an algorithmic trader. I don't need to have this course. I don't need to teach this stuff. I believe code's a great equalizer. And for those that will really work hard, I will teach this stuff too. But again, the 100% money back guarantee is for you and me because I'm already retired. I'm past all the like business stuff in life. This boot camp is literally because everybody asked for more concise videos, training, course, whatever you want to call it. So I built it. But the money back guarantee, yes, you can always have your money back if it's not for you. But on top of that, it's for me. So if you ain't chill, if you're not gonna work hard, I'm gonna get your money back real quick. I'm gonna send that money back real quick. Rico says, "Boy, that alarm is loud. Hit the roof." My bad. I left the. I was watching some videos on stream yesterday, so I had the sound a little higher. Let me see how it sounds now, dude. How's that sound? A little less, right? Is that a little better? Let me know. I honestly don't know where it's playing from, though. Really don't know where that's playing from. Hit the roof, he said. Rico said. Check the last bot. How good was it? Don't know what you're talking about. Solitude. Don't know what you're talking about, bro. Loaded up Dragon Ball. Yeah. It's just fire. What up, Usama? Sir, just emailed you. Please guide what's next, sir. I have already sent email. Sir, I want to buy from crypto, sir. Pandas is great. From crypto, sir, want to buy. Hi. Oh, boy. Yeah, I don't know if I'm letting him in there. I don't know if I'm letting him in there, dude. That's a lot of messages from one person. I don't want your money. You can have it. Bro, will your videos stay? Never. When I'm gone, my videos are gone too. The Solana trading bot G, you had a results posted, so I asked about it. Yeah, it's right here, dude. It's down in the bottom right. You'll see it. You'll see the results here and there. I'm just updating it today. So I made a big update, which is awesome. Art says why? Because I be going live, dude. I be going live, bro. Make this so any Spanish prints are in English. Don't change anything else. Days back. It's fine. Starting the bot. Okay. Perfect. So we're just changing out a couple of these prints. Printy prints in Spanish, change them to English. Now let's do that same thing here. For any Spanish prints, please change them to English. Don't change anything else in the code. Where's the newsletter? On moondev.com. Moondev.com. Read that whole paper. Read that whole page, and then you'll understand everything. If you don't read, you don't get into my world. Sorry, buddy. I only kick it with readers, unfortunately. The rest of the world is fried. The rest of the world is fried. If you don't read, you're fried. Come on, read more. Read the website at least. Moondev.com. Read that. Omar says, I just want to say how much I appreciate all your excellent videos. Thanks for sharing your wisdom and experience. Yo, my pleasure, Omar. I appreciate you coming by to say that, dude. Good vibes, dude. That's so much love. Much love to you. I hope you get everything you ever see when you close your eyes, bro. Art says, "Why are you closing, bro?" It's just, we had a special, so it closes today. It is what it is. Um, yeah, it is what it is, dude. It is what it is. So check out the link before it's gone. If you could see the chat, I already explained it. It is what it is. It is what it is. Life is. Life is what it is. Let's get it every day, dude. So I want to walk through this real quick. Um, yeah, let's do that real quick. I got the inner circle in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So, you know, it'd be like that. Sometimes I got to get ghosts. So if we go here and we go to the data, CSVs, bot, config, don't share, readme. So this file added a SoulScan link. Perfect. I think this is where I paused for IC. So I got an inner circle in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna get ghosts and get in that. Bro, how can I save your videos? You can't. You can't save my videos, dude. You gotta get ghosts. You in or you out? The boot camp is here, dude. Go to algotradecamp.com. There's a link in the description. Go there, join the boot camp. You'll get access to everything. And that once you have access, you got access. You can see this bot. I built it this week. It's at 664. I started at 631. So, in a few days, whatever. It's nothing crazy, but it's up. Yeah, much love. I'll see you later. Right, I want to dive right back in here and get my cursor up because my cursor is gonna step on the gas every day. I'm always on the gas pedal. Come on, slow down a little bit for you guys' little discounts that you need. I guess I feel like it's all discounted already, but whatever. Whatever, dude. You can have more of a discount. It's gone today. Don't hit me. Okay, so in my README, I wanted to see rank the wallets we follow based off their results. So I need to think about how to do that. So how would I go about ranking the wallets based on their results? Well, I don't know. To be honest. That's why I'm here. Moondev, thoughts on continuous learning algorithm that knows all the available known strategies, etc., and can trade on its own accord integrated to OpenAI? That sounds great. Sounds great. I'm trying to build that with grammatical evolution and evolutionary algorithms, kind of. But if you can pull that off, pull it off, bro. I think it sounds great. I like it. It's just hard to, it's challenging. It's just challenging. That's it. So when I sell a token, essentially, when I sell a token, track the person I bought it from. I didn't buy it from anybody. Bought it from list. So how would I do that? So I guess when I open a position, when I open a position, well, track who that token was connected to. Okay. So let's go over to the open position here. Um, like make a JSON file of for um, contract address and the other address and the owner, I guess. That's just hard to say because he's not the owner, the buyer. So it'd be like buyer contract address. That's how it's gonna be essentially. Rerun it. Okay. So see how this opens positions here. Open positions or end dot open position. So token mint address. Okay, where does it get that token mint address from? Trending tokens. Yep. So in trending tokens, this is trending tokens here. There's nothing in there now, but there's no buys essentially. Nice funks. Let's see where trending tokens goes. What? Read CSV. Oh, analyze picks. That's right. So this goes ahead and gets the trending tokens, add address and bird eye URL. For a contract address here, contract address and address, but we're reading in recent TXs. Okay. So recent TXs here. Contract owner. Yeah, okay. So we just want to keep the owner here. So analyze picks here. Bird eye URL here is that. Owner is this. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead down to this part here, I think. Address. Bird eye URL. And owner. I don't know if this is going to work, but Let's see where else bird eye URL is. Bird eye URL. Okay. I think this actually might work here. So let's just run it from scratch. Need to save this. Yo, if that works, that's fire, bro. I'm gonna let it run for a second. Yeah, dog my cheese is crazy, crazy, crazy. So recent transactions. Let's see if it has added it yet. I don't think so. Wait, turning tokens. That's right. Didn't analyze picks here. It's not quite there yet. Trending tokens. .csv. Okay, that's gonna save it there. Oh snap! It's not gonna work. Run it back. So I'm seeing if this will go ahead and work now. Let's go ahead and ask AI. I added an owner column to the code. Will this work as is? Might as well ask, right? C Spot says not to discount Discord group. It's right here, bro. Moondev.com. Roadmap and resources. Scroll down. Discord. Boom. You got it. You got it, dude. Read. C Spot. I know C Spot. He doesn't read. He doesn't read the whole page. He's one of those fast movers. Ain't gonna read everything, so he ain't gonna make it. He ain't gonna make it. He ain't gonna make it. But it's good to have you, dude. Yo, what up, XC? How are you, dude? If you don't read, you're not gonna make it. I'm just sorry. I'm sorry to say it, bro. You have to read. It all starts with reading. It all starts with reading. That's why I put so much reading in order to get this roadmap, dude. Because if you can't read, then you can't be here. He skims, exactly. He skims and now he's lost. It's like that was crazy. People are so they don't understand like, "Oh, why am I so broke?" It's because you don't read. Oh, why can't I succeed in life? It's because you don't read. It's because you don't read, bro. And it's like the solution to everything. How come I don't know how to do this? It's because I don't know how to read. How come I don't know how to code? Because I don't read. How come I don't do, it all comes down to reading, bro. Slow down, dog. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down, dude. Slow down. Come on, slow down. If you slow down, you'll see everything. But if you go fast, you're gonna get licked. That's how it goes, bro. It's just the name of the game. I ain't making rules, you know? It's not me making rules. It's not me making the rules, bro. It's the name of the game. So much love to you. But if you skim, you're gonna get licked. And you're not getting in the Discord. I'm protecting my family. I'm protecting my family, all right? Books are the best way to get ahead. It's like unlocking secret knowledge from someone before you. Absolutely, Zach. Absolutely, dude. Would it be possible to have live subtitles? I don't know about subtitles on the lives because it's literally live, so I don't know if they can do that. But I just throw it to YouTube and they try to do whatever they can. Books are fascinating, aren't they, Zach? It's like it's usually the person's most thoughtful thing in the world. If you write a book, you know that person is giving you their most. Looks like we added, in general, there should be, this function shouldn't have any problems, but let's look at it, the changes. Okay, so we added the row of owner, and then we said, added the owner there, and then finally we added it here as well. It looks like everything is good and should function correctly. Without doubt, here are a couple things that come into account. Oh, I got to put that on there. It does have that. It does have that. Okay, perfect. So my code should work. Como ser rico, just read by Moondev. How to be rich. You just read that? Oh my goodness. Everybody wants me to be the leader of the get rich quicks out here, but they try to force me in there. I'm not gonna. Error processing. None type. Okay. How many lines of code is the entire bot? I don't know. Thousands. This one is 300. This one is 200. Don't share, get wrecked. This one is 1300. So, but it builds on itself pretty quickly. So don't be scared. Books are someone's truly refined thoughts. Absolutely. Do you have any good books you have read on automated trading? Yep, dude. Go to moondev.com, read that entire page. You'll be sent to my roadmap and resources that has a fire book list. There's a sample of it right there. Fire book list right here. There's a ton of books on there that I have read and that I think will be helpful for anybody that's in this journey because, you know, books are where everything is. Yo, Isaac, what up, dude? How are you? I'm doing well. 777. Thank you. I'm just going to grind this smoothie real quick, so it's going to be really loud. So I'm going to turn my mic off. Oh my God, I can't believe this guy. I can't believe this guy. He drinks his smoothie on the live. Oh my God. I'm so tired of just listening to this guy drink his smoothie. Get up out of here then, B. Much love. Got it. Owner here. Looking perfect. Beautiful, 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 dude. Give me 20 more. Hey, feel better, Texel. Get some rest. I put that boy to sleep today. Check the view. Do you think AI alone can teach us to code? Yes. Is this part of the copy trading stuff? Yeah, Isaac, this is copy trader. 69. Look at that. Nice. That's so dope. All right, so beautiful. Now, dude, how do we always just get further? I don't get it. It's so scary sometimes. Now, trending tokens has a owner column, so we can maybe check the metadata, bro. You make some sense, bro. I'm about to block C-Spot. Use complete sentences, bro. I have no clue what's going on in your little head. I have no idea what you're talking about. At this point, you're just a distraction. Use full sentences. Check the metadata for what? For what, dude? For what, C-Spot? Paquet. A duplicate. Have a long list. Okay, so of all the buys and sells. I sent you a picture on chat. I don't see pictures, bro. There's no pictures on chat, bro. What are you talking about? In Discord? What are you talking about, bro? Come on, use full sentences. Where? Okay, I'm just gonna close. I'm just gonna block you, C-Spot. Let's just block C-Spot because C-Spot is playing games. He's playing games, dude. I'm gonna block C-Spot. I'm trying to lock in here, and C-Spot's over here. All right, we're just gonna block C-Spot. C-Spot, I know you've been around here for a while, but this is the end for you. Much love. Much love. Fire only in the chat. I'm not capping about that. Fire only in the chat. He's playing games, dude. I'm a Blux. All right. I've seen C-Spot for months, dude. I am ruthless. I promise you. I am ruthless, dog. I'm ruthless with these blocks. I've seen C-Spot for months here. He's been here for months, but look at this non-fire in the chat. Look at this. A library card. Best way to meet females. Get up out of here, dude. Add as moderator? No way. Hide on this channel. Hide on this channel, dude. Peace. Hid. Gotta protect our minds, bro. Gotta protect our minds. C-Spot's out of here. C-Spot is gone. Peace, C-Spot. Never again. Don't act like C-Spot, boys. Don't act like C-Spot, boys. You've got me going on wild goose chase. I'm just going to close the chat. How about that? There we go. Now I don't see any chat. Now I can't get distracted. Perfect. So now we got to go here and make some sort of duplicate of this. So trending. Tokens. Trending tokens. Outputs trending tokens. Perfect. So I want to don't change it. Don't change anything of the original DF, but I want to store these trending tokens on another DF called all trending ever .csv. Ever. And since the trending tokens constantly change with each run of code, I want the trending to be appended to the all trending ever. So while the DF of trending tokens will change with each run, it will append to the all trending ever, which will be like a storage system. That CSV is empty for now, but I will use it forever here on out to store the ever changing trending tokens. Append. Don't delete. Ever. Okay. Thanks, Claude. Let's get it. So we can archive them. Yep, exactly. Okay, all trendings ever is that. And then all trendings ever is just concat all trendings ever with ignore DF is true. Contract address. No need to drop duplicates. Accept. Okay. Let's remove this. It's cute and all, but we're not going to use it. CSV is here. Bots to study, okay. Dude, I'm fire, bro. I'm on fire today, dude. This is crazy. Blocking people left and right. Blocking people left and right. All right, let's run it back, see if it works. Blocking people left and right. Spam the chat. Let's get that ad out of here. Can't have the ads on the screen now. I know I'm doing a lot of blocking today, so you're probably scared to chat, but why is he so whack? Why is he like this? He believes code's the great equalizer, but he won't share it with everybody. If you're whack, he won't share it. He blocks you. Thank you, bro. Orders flying. Orders flying. Orders are absolutely flying, boys and girls. Actually, it's girls. We got two girls up in here now. Jane and Whitney. Women. Girls, whatever you want to be called. I don't care. Much love to all of you. I love it. We're growing. We're growing. See if this works. All right, let's see. Here it goes. We're getting closer. time to eat, dude. Big fan. Yo, thank you. ¿Para qué son esos minutos que tú tienes? For that, what are the minutes for? The minutes are to keep me on track. What do you have? Yeah, I think that's what I think I'm answering it correctly. Thank you for speaking to me in Spanish. Yo, if you guys speak Spanish, speak to me in Spanish, bro. If you do, because I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to lock in here. You know, I changed this here to Spanish so I could just always be reading it at least. So feel free to ask me questions in either language. You know, Utoshu, Ute show. Thank you for saying that, bro. XC says I should ban the cheap viewers. Bro, your coding name? Java? Python? Python. Hola, amigo. Oh, that's the end of today. That's the end of today. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. All right? Hello? All right. Peace. All right, fellas. I'm going to catch you on Sunday. Much love to you. I hope you have a wonderful day. And sorry, today's a little bit shorter today. Actually, I don't know. Actually, I really don't know. But Rybear, thank you for coming through, bro. Está bien. Dale. Take care. Nos vemos. Peace. Paz. Salud. Saludos a todos. I think I need to write this down first. Before I get ghost. I gotta write this down. Or else I'm gonna forget what I did. Because this is gonna be. I might do it tomorrow though. Okay, so done. Now we should have a forever appending file called please help, I'm learning code. Yeah, I got you, bro. Stick around, dude. I'll show everything every day. Please give me your Telegram. Nah, I'm not going to do that, but you can check out the Discord, moondev.com. Has your roadmap resources. It gets you the Discord and all that good stuff. Now just need to look at that file when I close a position to see who had me enter it, and then I can rank them or something. This didn't do it though. Why didn't it do it? Oh, because it's going through the piano close first. Okay, so it should do it after the piano close. Yep. I'm gonna let this run, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all.